Repotting prickly pears. This is an Opuntia microdasis albata or angel wings. It came with a fake flower which has to be removed. Remove the fake flower carefully. Protect your fingers if the cactus comes with sharp spines. In this case, this plant has soft bristles but can still be very irritating to the skin. Try to peel off the entire flower without damaging the plant. I managed to peel off the fake flower, but a tiny part of the cactus also came off. I'll show you what to do when this happens later on in the video. Gently slide the whole plant out of the pot by giving the sides of the pot a light squeeze. The plant will come out easier when it's dry. Repotting an Opuntia basilaris or beavertail cactus. Luckily, this one did not come with a fake flower. Gently slide the whole plant out of the pot by giving the sides of the pot a light squeeze. The plant will come out easier when it's dry. Prepare a well-draining potting mix. Here I use cactus mix combined with perlite for added drainage. Remove some of the old soil and loosen up the root ball on the bottom. Pack the soil around the plants to secure them. Add more potting mix as needed. Fill in any gaps with potting mix. Let the small wound from the fake flower dry and heal before getting the area wet. Keep it in a dry area and allow the wound to heal and scab to prevent infection. Depending on the size of the wound, it can take anywhere from a couple of days to about a week. If you want, you can dust some sulfur powder on the wound to prevent infection, but this is optional. After 2 to 3 days, the wound would have scabbed and calloused and look something like this. Once the wound has healed, you can water the newly potted plants thoroughly and do not water again until the soil is dry. I've created a playlist related to this video. The playlist link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It will really help us out with the YouTube algorithm. To see similar videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to be alerted as soon as I upload a new video, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!